Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kandai Karen Mangena, and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this video. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make these earrings, these long ear-to-ear earrings. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Ta-da! So what you're going to do is to just create your thread and then insert your hook, your earring hook, right, on one side. So you're going to double thread it, right, and then insert your hook onto the center. So now once you have your center part, what you're going to do is to start threading, to insert on one side, on one end of the hook, right. You're going to insert your needle, just separate those two strands, and then insert your needle on one side. If you don't have a needle, you can just do this without. It's not compulsory for you to have to use a needle, right? So you insert your needle and then you start inserting your beads. So you're going to insert your beads right till the end, and once you're done, you move on to the other side. So now that you're done with this other side, you're going to insert your thread again onto this side and then insert your beads. So you're making two strands. So you can leave it if you want at a single strand, but because I just wanted it to be dramatic, and yeah, so I decided to thread twice. So you can go ahead and strand and thread the beads and feed the beads onto the thread. If you don't have a big needle, you can do this without, because it's not compulsory. These beads are quite big, they're size 16, so yeah. So this is what the earrings look like once you're done. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also leave a comment down below if you enjoy.